Creating a smart home, what does it really mean? 100 years ago, it was smart to be able to turn lights on and off with a switch on the wall. But not a lot has happened since then. That's why we at Prove feel it's high time for a change. It's time to make homes smarter. But what is smart? We think it's smart when you can take control of your home from your smartphone, tablet or computer. Or even better, when things manage themselves without you having to do anything at all. Like the lights in your home being turned off and on when the sun goes up and down instead of at the same time every day. Or the lights coming on automatically when you arrive home. A smart home makes your everyday life easier. What about those mornings when there's been unexpected snow and you're in a real hurry? You think how smart it would be if you could start warming your car's engine from your smartphone while you're still eating your breakfast? Or when you hurry away to preschool, school and a meeting at work and you suddenly realise you've forgotten to turn off all the lights and the TV at home. At that time, it's pretty smart to be able to turn them off from your smartphone. And what if you have a weekend home? Wouldn't it be useful to be able to see how warm or cold it is in the house and to turn on an extra heating element directly from your smartphone, so it's nice and warm when you arrive? With Prove smart home appliances, you can create schedules for automation, or you can manage your electrical gadgets from your smartphone, regardless of where you are in the world.